Hello, and this is just a quick video on what we did in class today, area models. So when doing an area model, it's for multiplication. So let's say our problem is 24 times 8. So the first thing we would want to do is take this 24 and decompose it or break it apart into its place values. So this 2 is in the tens place. It is actually worth 20. It has a value of 20. The 4 is in the ones place, so it has a value of 4. After we have decomposed that first number, or decompose means to break it apart, make it smaller, we are going to draw our model. So I'm going to draw a line this way. That's going to represent my 20. Come down here a little bit. Draw another section there. That's going to be for my 4. And I got those numbers from here. Coming down this way, I'm going to take my second factor, which is 8, and put it here. And then, oops, I went too far there. And then I'm going to close this in as a rectangle. Now I can do some multiplication. And if it helps you to put a little multiplication sign there to tell you you're multiplying, go ahead and do that. So first I multiply these two numbers. So 8 and 20. And 8 times 20 is 160. I know that because 8 times 2 is 16. And I tag that 0 on the end. Second, I'm going to do 8 times 4. And 8 times 4 is 32. Once I have multiplied in my model, I'm going to take my original problem and I'm going to write it vertically. And vertically means up and down. And then I'm going to take the numbers from inside my boxes where I multiplied. And I'm going to write them here. And I'm going to add them. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So that would give me 192. Okay, I hope that is helpful for those of you who are still having problems. And make sure you come to office hours if you are.